Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Chainlink, up 6 to 7% in the last 24 hours alone, making a very nice run up to about $33. If we take a look at the last, or really the crypto space in the last 24 hours, we only see about a 0.73% increase. Binance BNB doing very well, Shiba Inu doing well, Terra doing very well, Chainlink doing very well, VeChain doing well, Crypto.com doing well. So a lot of coins are doing well, specifically Chainlink. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. If we look at the last week, an 8.69% increase in the last month being a 23.34% increase. We understand that the market cap right now at $15.1 billion is continuing to show Chainlink at an undervalued price. And that's exactly what we want to see. This undervalued price is something that a lot of people have been able to accumulate over a long period of time, and expecting an all-time high by the end of this year and the end of the bull market as well is going to continue to help a lot of us make, hopefully, a lot of great returns this year. So I want to talk a little bit about what Chainlink's been doing to really make this most recent push, as well as where do we think it's going by the end of the year and the end of the bull market. We'll give you those price predictions at the end of the video. If you guys have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on, because there's a lot of reasons that we talk about Chainlink here. And the first one is the most widely used decentralized Oracle network. That's the main reason we talk about Chainlink. It's got so much value in it because of this, and has officially crossed 75 billion in total value secured, or TVS. Today, a vast array of top apps across leading blockchains and layer 2 networks use Chainlink services to trigger and secure their smart contracts. 75 billion plus. That's quite a bit, and we are continuing to see the importance of this milestone and cannot be overstated. Not only has Chainlink become the de facto standard for connecting smart contracts to the real-world data and systems, it has become one of the most value-securing forms of decentralized consensus on the planet. Since mainnet launch, over 700 Chainlink Oracle networks made up of independent nodes run by world-class enterprises, data providers, and DevOps teams have gone live. To date, they have served over 600 million data points to over 10 different blockchains. It's absolutely huge. And if you go down to the bottom, they talk more about their developers as well. Chainlink is your key to smart contract utility. Whether you're building DeFi or NFTs, and no matter what chain, enterprises also, Chainlink is your gateway to blockchains. Users, oracles are the invisible backbone of this ecosystem. Their capabilities are only growing. So keep building, and people will see the value in you one day. That is exactly what Quentin Francis said in a tweet as well. And we are going to continue to see, I believe, Chainlink become one of those really underutilized, not really underutilized, it's being utilized every single day, but undervalued coins to a very valued coin in a matter of time. So we'll see when that takes place. This could be, hopefully, the start of something with Chainlink's most recent, 7 to 8% increase while the market's kind of struggling. So let's take a quick look at the next one in line. This one's talking about today's roundup of Chainlink bringing new data on-chain, empowering probably rare NFTs. We have Metomatics, Meralt, we have No Brainers NFT, and the Shark Mob. They're all using in utility-wise, they're all utilizing Chainlink to help them bring probably fair NFTs or probably rare NFTs to their space. So I think we're going to continue to see kind of innovation within Chainlink as well. We're going to continue to see more utility being pushed, and that's exactly what us Chainlink holders would like to see. So we also see, to keep it game fair and fun, Tailcraft.io is using Chainlink VRF to randomly distribute in-game items via loot boxes. So great that they are continuing. And by the way, with this play to earn game industry really coming into the crypto space, what's great about this is Chainlink is utilized on every single one of these for the most part. So definitely a benefit there for Chainlink continuing to grab new and more and bigger partnerships every single day. We have more to talk about though. We go to the next one. We have Play to Earn Gaming requires randomness that anyone can verify. Little Ghost NFT has integrated Chainlink VRF to mint random NFTs from future collections on chain and determine the context of intent or in-game loot boxes. So more utilization there. We have more to talk about. Chainlink now securing more than 75 billion in assets through crypto industry. We talked about this. This is absolutely huge. From money markets to stablecoins, Chainlink makes all sorts of DeFi apps possible. By combining oracles with blockchains, app developers can actually build a really variety of new decentralized financial products and explore the wide range of DeFi use cases powered by Chainlink. So you can see that there are many different DeFi use cases with Chainlink. I'm not going to go through every single one, but you can actually take a look at their website and learn a little bit more. And they have a link here that brings you on into their website, and it talks about why Chainlink for DeFi. Well, it talks exactly about why Chainlink is doing what it's doing and what's so special about it. We have more to talk about, though. The Associated Press taps Chainlink for elections and sports data. So this was huge, huge, huge news back on October 21st. Something that we should continue to kind of re-mention is some of the big, big nodes that are out there and available to Chainlink. We have such big companies out there, continuing to establish with Chainlink, and that's definitely a great positive as well. Alchemy Pay using Chainlink to enable trading on decentralized exchanges and borrowing in DeFi using ACH. So secure and reliable prices for payment solutions. They talk about Chainlink price feeds and helping secure or assure users that they are receiving fair market exchange rates when purchasing assets directly via their wallets on dexes like Uniswap, SushiSwap, and 4Tube using their ACH. So this is definitely another crucial really partnership for Chainlink, continuing to see more and more great partnerships. We have more on this value secured by Chainlink data and tenfold in less than a year. It's just absolutely huge. But this is by CoinDesk. We're not going to jump too much into that one, but I do want to talk a little bit more about Chainlink and where it's going. So let's go back. Let's take a look at the last 24 hours altogether. So the markets you can see here are pretty much red. Like with Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything's going down a little bit. Well, besides Chainlink and BNB for the most part. So let's take a look at Chainlink one more time here. Let's give it a quick refresh, see where we're at. So about $33, which is a great push up, almost an 8.5% increase in the last 24 hours. People may start to realize Chainlink is an undervalued gem at some point, but if it's not in the next couple of months, I'll be very, very surprised. I do believe we are going to see a breakthrough for Chainlink. Before we talk about the price predictions, I do want to say, guys, if you are interested in Chainlink and you want to hold some yourself or hold more than you already have, well, a great way to do that is going into my Twitter, CryptoProfitYT, and following me and then retweeting this specific tweet. Only 300 retweets right now, by the way, or 304 retweets. So all you have to do is jump onto this tweet right here, retweet this tweet, follow me on Twitter, and you're entered. 40 Chainlink giveaway if we hit $40 link by the end of November. All you have to do is follow and retweet to be entered. Hopefully you guys win. Just continuing to try to give back to the community. You guys have continued to make this channel great. So let's jump back and talk about the future of Chainlink. If we take a look at the last week with a 9% increase, in the last month with a 24% increase, I think by the end of the year with the TA we've been doing, with what we've been talking about, we're still seeing anywhere between a $60 to $80 price point by the end of the year. That would definitely be a new all-time high, pushing past $52.83, and then we could continue on from there by the end of this bull market, pushing closer to $200. I think $200 is still well within range. I think once we get to that triple-digit mark, we are going to continue to blast off. It's not going to stop there. So thank you guys again for tuning in, making sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. I really do appreciate it, everyone, for stopping by. If you guys want to continue to support me and stay up to date with pre-sales, really ICOs, IDOs, any kind of low market cap picks, that's all going to be on the Patreon down below in the description, patreon.com/CryptoProfitYT. So thank you guys again. I'll see you all in the next one.